Hey guys, it's Ron Customs and I'm back with another video. I have for you guys these Air Force 1s, size 7.5. And these originally was supposed to be a Simpsons custom. If you could tell by right there, it was supposed to be Grandpa Simpsons. But instead I said, let me continue my Cosmos theme that I have going on right now. For you guys today is these Drippy Nike logos. Drippy Nike logo with the puddles at the bottom. Something different that nobody really done before. Well, I haven't seen nobody do at all. This shoe right here will be my main focus. I'll be showing you guys how to make the drip without a vinyl cutter and how to do it with just pencil, paper, and an X-Acto knife. Showing you guys the render of how I want these to turn out. And one of these corners, go to the custom.
So now I'm entering to Procreate, pulling up my drawing of the Nike logo that I drew with the puddle at the bottom. And now I have a spare Nike logo that I had around from cutting off so many Nike logos off Air Force 1s. And now I'm sizing it up because this Nike logo is the same size on a 7.5 shoe that I got.
Cause I pay for it all. Let it pay for the boy cause I still made it home. Turn to a big dog, I put niggas on. Turn to a big dog, I get niggas gone. That boy made him some racks and he made him turn cold. That boy fighting some demons, he can't even show. 10,000 on a nigga head, murder one, he gone. Hey, they been hurting all day long. Heard no doctor drugs and you scared to go home. Beef ain't that deep, but he gotta be gone. I heard what he said, I'ma see what he on. Oh, you think he a gangster, think that when he gone. In love with them trenches, that's where I feel home. Threw my dogs a bag, ain't throw him a bone. I threw him a party, he did make it home. He thought it was sweet, I'ma rock him to sleep. See my folks die in a tragedy. Seeing shit in my sleep cause it's after me. Tryna even the score cause it's stuck with me. I ain't squashing no beat here, it's over me. Pay the lawyer before you pay killer fees. He was our office, no sympathy. If you catch me down bad, don't you pity me. I was moving in tennis, no catching me. Yeah.
Now that you got your template, traced out, drawn out, however you want to say it, now you want to cut it out with your X-Acto knife. You want to be very careful and precise so you can get all those nice smooth cuts.
First thing back though, grab that stick before you swing that dough. Had 88 ways, but I still made more. Had rats when they caught me, I still made stole. Them boys went soldier, got big Dracos. Niggas went gangster and then niggas told. Caught him a L, my boy went down the road. Took me a wrist, I put drugs on the road. I sent me a pair cause I pay for it all. Let it pay for the boy cause I still made it home. Turn to a big dog, I put niggas on. Turn to a big dog, I get niggas gone. That boy made him some rats and he made him turn cold. That boy fighting some demons, he can't even show.
Fighting some demons, I can't even control. Feces the rapper, he locked down the road. He deep in the streets, I can't bend, I can't fall. In my pockets is green, you would thought it was mold. He round on my wrist, on top of a hole. Got a carbon with sticks, I'ma lock it in low. I never beat up the pot on the stove. I'm the one.
Now before I lay my template down and my stencil that I just cut out, I want to prep the shoe with acetone and a cotton ball.
They souls, I be stealing them goofy. He go for the bait, then we reeling them. You disrespect, then we spilling them. Hit everybody, I'm shooting like 10 of them. There's no way you can go there.
Make sure I lay down my tape so I can transfer it over and cut it out with an X-Acto knife. You'll see all that in these next few clips.
Go sweet, niggas be talking and snitching and
now once you put tape around the Nike logo, now you want to cut it out so you can prepare to lay your Drippy Nike logo stencil down.
Niggas went gangster and then niggas told. Caught him a L, my boy went down the road.
And then I'm going to mask it up with tape, of course, so it can stay in place and I can get to tracing.
Turn to a big dog, I get niggas gone. That boy made him some rats and he made him turn cold. That boy fighting some demons, he can't even show.
Now here goes the real stressful part. It took me a minute to get this lined up and even. So now I'm going to trace the two puddles.
Yeah, you know where I'm coming when I come through for you, shawty. Gotta worry about nothing, just say the word and I got you. Other niggas was nothing compared to me, they was sorry. Now baby, let me take care of your mind, soul, and your body. On a whole different vibe when it come to you. You know I'ma ride when it come to you. You know I'ma grind, I do that for you. Long as you mine. Hey, look. Ain't no need to question, long as you're loving, I'ma bring that heat, no oven. Climb on top of me and you gon' see it's bustin'. Feel it in your knees and stomach and it's guaranteed you'll love it. Shorty, you fine as hell, I'ma start the note on that. Even though you ride it well, love it when you threw it back. You understood when I said that my feelings don't attach. Done been through so much, lost my heart, it's hard to sew it back. You know I got that shit locked, Headed to the the tip top. Leave that mascara, I'd rather fuck up your lip gloss. I got you forever, we like this, I'm talking crisscross. Hop up on this jet and just get set for when we lift off. Cause you deserve it, you stay down when I was hurting. You what it mean to be a queen, let's start it worth it. Ay. Other hoes be worried about her, bet I say a word about it. I want all that pressure behind her, I'll go to war about it. Coming when I come through for you, shawty. Gotta worry about nothing, just say the word and I got you. Other niggas was nothing.
Now is the simple part when I lay down the paint. Pretty self-explanatory. The paint that I'll be using and the stencils that I'll be using will all be in the link in the description. My airbrush I'm using right here also will be in the link in the description. So make sure you go check it out.
Loving you will never need for nothing. I'ma bring that heat like Usher, but I ain't gotta let it burn, shawty. Cause it's your turn, shawty. And fuck them niggas from your past, cause you just learned from it. Now you on the better things, you on that better team. You know that if I'm involved, I'll give you my everything. Might just get you wedding rings if I feel a longevity. I'll never change on you even as a celebrity. That shorty step with me. When I'm with you, I feel like I'm high as I'll ever be. Girl, fuck that pain, come here, let me be that remedy. If you want it, I reciprocate that energy. You know where I'm coming when I come through for you, shawty. Gotta worry about nothing, just say the word and I got you. Other niggas was nothing compared to me. They was sorry now, baby. Let me take care of your mind, soul, and your body. On a whole different vibe when it come to you. You know I'ma ride when it come to you. You know I'ma grind, I do that for you. As long as you mine.
Yeah. I remember those nights ripping those pipes. Niggas didn't believe, but now I'm on site making dope shit. Plus a ghost right, could write your shit. Give them something to go with. Highs flow switch, that's if no shit. This shit is over with. Watch how I come and get. Yeah. Khalito left all of them wondering. Yeah. How they Khalito become this so wonderful? You niggas ain't running shit. Niggas can't rap, better off humming shit. Cause the shit I've been hearing from niggas made me believe hip hop is over with. But I can't let go of it, give me the mic, I promise, take control of it. This ain't no be rabbit shit, boy, I'm gon' rap it till everyone mad at them. Shout out my savages, all in them streets that don't care about this rapper shit. Wait a minute. Ay, I've been wanting this for a minute. Most niggas ain't with us. They just wanna see what they could take with them. Your main nigga be the same nigga that'll hang your nigga. That's why I stay away from niggas. That's why I can't relate to niggas. Came up from that basement nigga. Don't judge me. Lord, keep me away from these basic niggas. I can't take it, baby. You're a man now trying to make a living. Fans don't understand. Still trying to take a picture, but I'ma smile with you. My Sprite dirty, my loud stick, and take a ride with me. Take a ride with me, baby. Yeah. Real life shit. Take a ride with me. Yeah, I remember those nights gripping those pipes. Yeah, hey.
It's your boy Bump J. Hypno.
What up, big bro?
What's happening, broski? Back down after 10 long ones.
Welcome home, my nigga.
I bet they never say never again. They say I'd never be here.
Yeah.
Again like this. I bet they never say never again. It's been a long road, baby. That's what they gotta check the scope now, cause we winning, you hear me? Goon Squad. Keep turning up on these bitches.
I got you, bro.
Never say never again. But your love for shit. Forever legend, nigga, shit, my brother.
Yeah, what you know about? Give me shit, yo, I'm still one man. It made me a dog. I just bought like 3 for 20s, I'm taking them all. They be smiling in my face, but they praying I fall. Bitches sitting by their phones and they praying I call. Stop waiting, it's all. Yeah, she trying to take the pipe. Ain't no sex, you on my dick, but you can't stay tonight. Ain't no more X, I'm off 2 perks, I'm trying to take a flight. Ain't no more points, get with your dog if you ain't gonna make it right. Yeah.